Hi friends, so we had a first video session on number system. Hope you remember we discussed on what are the different classification of numbers and divisibility test. This class we're gonna see how to find the unit digit of a number raised to a power for some large numbers. So maybe in the next session we will discuss how to find the reminders if that number is divisible by another number. So what we're gonna discuss is this session we're going to discuss the units digit, how to find the units digit of numbers raised to power. Say for example, the question may come like, find the unit digit of 3 power 42. So how are we going to approach this unit digit for 3 power 42? Are you going to literally find 3 power 42? That will eat up your lot of time. You're going to calculate, multiply. Literally speaking, that will be a very large number. So understand the question. The question is just to find the unit digit. What comes at the unit digit? So how to approach these type of problems? So the question will be, what is the unit digit of 3 power 42? So to approach these type of problems, what you need to do is, you need to first identify the pattern. So what is a pattern basically? So pattern means it involves a cycle. Like what is the repetitive pattern of the units digit on a power of some numbers. So we will analyze for 3 now for that same question. We know that 3 power 1 is 3 and 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27 and 3 power 4 is 81. And 3 power 5 is 243 and 3 power 6 is 729. I am not going to write like this continuously till 3 power 42. So what I am going to find is patterns of units digit. So 3971. So 3971. And why I am grouping these 4 only? Because again if you see 3971 will gonna come. So this is a pattern I am gonna talking about, and this is a pattern or a cycle. Cycle is the thing that repeats. So here the cyclic numbers are 3971. So every power 1 will be like 1, 5, 9, 13 will end in the units digit 3 for 3 table. First 2 or 6 and will end in 9. So we'll number this like 1, 2, 3, 4. So cycle count. Cycle count in the sense, how many numbers are there? So cycle count will be 4 here. So suppose the question is, find the number 3 power 42. What is the units digit for 3 power 42? Now you know, when you divide 42 divided by 4, the cycle count, you will get, the remainder is 2. So 3 power 40 will end in the cycle like 3971 and 41 will be 3 and 2 is 9. So 3 power 42 will end up in a units digit called 9. Hope you understood this. Because 3 power 42, you're going to divide with 4, which is a cycle count here. 3 power 1 will end in 3, 4, 7 and 1. Or else, you can write the same thing as 3 power 42 as 3 power 10 to the power 4 into 3 square. Something like this, you can break. But better, take this 42 by 4 and you get a reminder here. That reminder, take out from the index here. So that will be the last digit. So now coming to the point again. So how are we going to do with the next numbers? So now take out 6. 6 power 1 is 6. 6 square is also 36. 6 cube is 2 and 6. So if they're going to ask 6 power anything, what is the last digit? That's going to be 6 only. So no doubts in that. Similarly to 5. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 will always end the last digit as 5. Now what about 7 then? 7 power 1 is 7. 7 square is 14, 49 and 7 cube is 343 and 7 power 4 is some number, but that will end with 1 because 3 7s are 21. Okay, so the cycle here is, when you again do 7 power 5, the number will end with 7. 7, 9, 3 and 1. So the cycle differs for different numbers. For 6 the cycle count is just 1. For 5 it is just 1, which is always end with 5. But for 7 you have, see here, you have 7, 9, 3, 1. So the cycle count is 4. Suppose they're going to ask what is 7 power 35. So that means Up to 32 the cycle will end. 35 by 4. So we use a remainder of 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3-digit place is taken by the answer is 3. So 7 power 35 will end with the unit digit 3. Let's consider for 2 tables. So you have 2 power 1 is 2, which is more easier. 2 square 4 and 2 cube is 8 and 2 power 4 is 16. So this one 2, 4, 8, 6 and 2 power 5 is 32. See the cycle again repeating. So it will line like 2, 4, 8 and 6. So if the question is what is 2 power 100? So 100 is divided by 4, we will get a remainder of 0. That means it is ending exactly. So the cycle is completing. So the last digit will be 6. Because 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 8 will also end with 6. Similarly 12, 16, 20 and 100 will also end with 6. Hope you understood how to calculate this. Next session we will learn how to find the remainder for these powers. Say for example 3 power 42 divided by 4. With the same approach we will build upon to find the remainder of this larger number. Thanks for watching. Thank you.